Gold again traded in range as I shared yesterday. 1800 should provide a resistance. Precisely it reversed from 1800, but at the same time, if you notice, it failed to break past the support at 1784. Also, silver trading with a bearish bias as it has already seen a rise and it failed to sustain beyond 2100. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully, and yes, the next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start the day. First, on the hourly charts, you can see here it is giving you lower highs. So in fact, if it tries to rise, the resistance again 1795, only long entry, that is precisely at 1795. If you see it trading beyond 1795, you can go longs. Now see what it is trying to do. It is trying to give you lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate. So this zone between 1795 and 1784, you should avoid. Any breakout above and below should be a good indication that it is trying to decide a direction. Directional movement indecisive, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish, and RSI looking downwards on the hourly charts, indicating little bearishness there. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, till now it tried to trade it above this zone at 50 period moving average of this 2-hour charts, and precisely it is getting the support out there. Now it is trying to break out this, and probably if it breaks, then 1780 should be the next strong support which it should get. Now look at the last two candles. See the highs there at 1795, also the support there at 1784. So once you see it trading below 1784, go short, and you can expect 1780 till 1780. It has got good support down there, but below 1780, once it breaks below 1780, it will crash heavily, and then 1770, 1760 can be expected, but it can reverse possibly from taking the support at these levels. Directional movement not indicating anything. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is trading flat here. Looking at the 3-hour charts, just look at the last few candles, lower highs, taking the support precisely from the 50 period average, 1786, 1785, then 1784. See, this zone is first important, as I have told, 1785, 84, and below that it will come back to 1780. This is going to be the next strong support zone. If it breaks below 1780, we may see a fall. Look at the width of the Bollinger Bands. It is narrowing here, and hence if it has to show a move, it has to show a sharp breakout above, either on the upside or the downside. If it breaks out, definitely then it will increase the width of the Bollinger Bands, and then it can trade freely. So I'll expect a candle, and one large candle should be good enough for it to decide the direction. And yes, you can go long above 1795. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is trading flat. Similarly, on the 4-hour chart, you can look at the 4-hour charts. Possibly this candle may try to bring it till towards 1784, 82, or rather 80 levels, and from there we will see how it behaves at 1780. If it breaks below 1780, you can see a stronger move on the downside. Right now it looks it may get some support, and it can try to come back till towards 1775 levels today before it looks forward to a rise. Probably on the 4-hour chart, it appears we may see a little head and shoulders there. And yes, the level at 1795 you should watch out for. Only above 1795 you should go long. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is again looking downwards here. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is looking downwards again. Similarly on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it appears this is a reversal. One candle symmetry here. Next candle probably higher lows, and it may try to continue trading above 1780. 1780 should be the support for the day. And yes, on the upside, see, this is a retracement should be considered, as if it breaks past 1795, do not forget to go long. Then it is going to give you stronger rise on the upside. Then again 1800, 1808 levels can be seen. So yes, you can go long above 1795 levels. Till the time it trades above 1780, we can expect that it may bounce back below 1780. Then 1775 is a very strong support, 1770 and 1760. See, watch out for these levels. If it breaks below this, it has long ground to cover, and then we may see it dropping heavily on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. MACD is trading in green. It is willing to converge and crossover. That is why we are seeing little red movements there. RSI is trading flat, and let's also have a look at the weekly candle. On the weekly candle, it may try to indicate a reversal. by closing somewhere here. How far it can come? It can come back till towards, as I said, 1775, 1770. If it is bearish and it has to drop next week, it may try to close somewhere here at 1775 levels. So be watchful, and below 1775 we can expect it to drop further till towards 1770 before closing at 1775. So if and only if it is bearish and it has to drop next week, it will come back till towards 1775 70 levels today. Else, if it breaks out, we may see a green candle, go long above 1795, go short below 1784, but be watchful of 1780 also. Below 1780 definitely we will see 1775 1770 levels, and below that also is possible. It can drop till 1760, but be cautious, it can bounce back again, as it may close at around 1770 1775 levels. So if and only if it is bearish. Otherwise, if it breaks out on the upside above 1795, you can go long. Then again you can target for 1800 levels, and then 1805 1810 levels should come into picture. So take your trades accordingly. Go long above 1795, go short below 1784. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts trading bearish, stabilizing here and trying to bounce back. See 2040 2030 levels, very strong support here, and then 2020 levels. I have always maintained that this zone is very important for silver between 2020 2040, and once it trades about 2040, you can again consider this as a bullish move. We can again expect it to rise. Yesterday I told you it may break, and it did break out on the downside. So be watchful of 2040 levels now. If it breaks beyond 2040, you can go long. Then again expect 2050 2060 levels to provide a resistance. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic was at bottom, trying to rise. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI looking upwards. If it appears on the hourly charts, we may see a bounce back. On the 2-hour charts, look at this. On the 2-hour charts, precisely it is taken a support at 2025 level, and with this as support, it is trying to rise. Yes, it has to go past 2040 in order to sustain the bullishness there. There is a probability that it can try to reverse and rise. See, you can see it is trying to trade in this channel, and precisely it has seen the lows, it has seen the highs of this channel are now at around 2050 levels. So yes, beyond 2050 you can expect it to hit 2050, but that should be the stronger resistance zone. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold here, indicates we may see a little bounce back. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish, it is willing to converge. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts it is trying to reverse, but getting the resistance here at 30-35 zone, and see double bottom it is formed. I will be cautious of the next candle. It may try to go back till towards 2040, and then further we can see a little drop. So with the support at 2024-25, you can stay long for 2040 and then 2050 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is wide divergent and bearish. It may start to converge from here. RSI is down, but it is trying to converge a little and move upwards. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, also double bottom is formed, indicating a reversal here. Yes, once it breaks past this zone, probably we may look at 2040 levels. And yes, if you connect the dots here, 2040 2050 levels should provide a very strong resistance for the day. Yes, with the stop loss at 2024, you can stay long on silver. Expect it to hit 2040 and 2050 levels today itself. And directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Now see, on the daily charts, it is trying to give you a expanding triangle, and if you consider this is the moving zone, or this is the zone in which silver is expected to trade. On the downside, 2020 is a very strong support, and on the upside it can try to rise till towards 2050 is the first target, 2055 is the second target, which is a good strong resistance. Then 2060 and 2065 levels to come into picture. I don't see it breaking 2070, but if it does, it is going to give you another very strong candle like this. So this is going to be the size of the candle. Beyond 2070 2080 zone, we can see it rising another 20 to 30 points, taking it towards about 2100 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is upwards, but looking it was overbought. Now it is in comfortable zone, trying to go down further. MACD is willing to converge here, and RSI trading flat. Considering this for the day, it appears with the stop loss, see 2024 and 2040 levels you should watch out for. Beyond 2040 you should go long, and beyond that you can expect it to hit 45, 2050 levels, and beyond that, if it rises beyond 2050, we can again expect it to hit 2060 and 2070 levels. Beyond 2070, sky is the limit. And on the downside, once it trades below 20, go short at 2020, expect it to drop. So rather do not trade between 2020 and 2040, and even can expect it to rise or trade above and below. Below 2020, it can drop heavily till towards 2000 and 1980 levels. On the upside, if it trades above 2040, you can expect it to rise till towards 2050, 2060, 2070 and 2080 levels. 2080 definitely very strong resistance zone, which it may fail to break past by on the upside. So be cautious, be watchful, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Those who are a little risky trader, one can take a long entry right now with the stop loss at 2024. You can stay long in silver and expect it to rise. So take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Don't miss to join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.